Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovid, and in this tutorial I will show you how to hide activity on your Facebook account. I will show you step by step how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So first what we need to do is login on your Facebook account. Next you need to click on settings and privacy, and again on the settings. Okay, and now on the privacy, you here have option like privacy, and what you have here, your activity. Who can see your future posts? You may set who can see your future post. If you want to hide, you may set it for only me or friends except, don't show to some friends except, and also you have option like more, so specific friends only show to some friends. You have also option like custom, include and exclude friends and lists, and public. You may set here. You here have option no, not this. Limit the audience for post you've shared with friends or public. It means if you chose to limit your past post on your timeline that you started with friends, and public post will now be shared only with friends, and you may do this by click on this limit past posts. You have also option of who can see the people page and list you follow, only me. How people find and contact you, who can send you friend request, friends of friends, or everyone. You may set it, who can see your friends list, public friends, specific friends, who can look you up using the email address you provided, everyone or only me. The same is with phone number. And do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link your profile? You may don't let him turn off. Okay, no. And you have also here option like how you get message request. Decide whether message request and go to your chat list, your message request folder, or whether to receive them all. Potential connection, friends of friends on Facebook, chats, message requests, don't receive requests, and also other people, message requests and don't receive requests. And that's all what I wanted to show you in this tutorial. As you can see, it was tutorial about hiding your activity. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, and follow my other videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.